Hello you all, welcome to my channel Dip in Love. In the series of All About the Basic episode 2, today I am going to show you 3 more new interesting seams in this video. And first seam is bias joint, for which the cutting is very important part. So you have to fold the fabric like this. You have to make the 45-degree angle and cut along the fold. Then mark a line of desired width. You can take like 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, whatever you want, and then cut it again. So this 45-degree angle of the fabric has most stretchability, and this is called true bias. In Hindi we call it Aureb. Aureb is actually taken from Urdu. It's commonly used in Hindi, but it's a Urdu word. And then we have to join and sew it. So for that, what you have to do, you have to make a V or a A. Okay, you have to stitch 2 pieces like this. You have to make this angle, or maybe instead of A, you can make a V, just like this. But you can't join it like this. If you will sew these 2 strips like this, it will create this, okay, something like this. But if you will join it in this way, where this is making a V or a A, if you sew it, and it will give you a perfect straight line which has the most stretchable line. Pin it so this won't move, and you have to apply a stitch which connect from this pointed corner to this end. So it's done. Rip off the threads on both sides, remove the pins, and here you have ready bias joint. It will look like this. I want to show you some wrong example of bias joint. If you will take the joint little here and there will be a gap, okay? And then if you overlap both the strips like this, it will create a V. There will be a 90-degree angle. You won't get a flat strip. Next is counter seam. So I already prepared the fabric. I ironed taking 1 centimeter margin. So it will tangle into each other like this, okay, something like this. So it will tangle like this, yeah, quite romantically. Fix it using draping pin and apply 2 top stitch from both the sides. So counter seam is done. For third machine ladder stitch, mark a line leaving 2 centimeter margin, and you need a paper also. First just pin it, okay, then sandwich the paper in between, just like this. Now apply stitch on this line. Once you're done, remove the draping pins and apply water on this paper to make it more soft. It will be better if this is a tissue paper, so it will be easy to tear the tissue paper. If you are using any color paper or maybe a newspaper, there are chances that color might get bleed on the fabric. So you should always take a plain white paper only. This is how it will look like. For making it more neat, you need to turn the raw edges and just do a plain seam on top of this. And it's done. You can do these kind of seam providing detail to your neck yoke and the shoulder line, etc.